Welcome back to my channel. My name is Akeem Hands. Hint why my channel's name is Hands on Reels. I don't know. Again, we're figuring this thing out. This is our first few videos. Nothing set in stone. Still trying to work out the kinks, if you will. But welcome back. Still watching the Sandman. We're on episode 6. The Sound of Her Wings. Chapter 6. The Sound of Her Wings. Is that Morpheus right there? Just sitting there at a park? Is he feeding the pigeons, bro? What city are we in? Are we still in New York or are we somewhere else now?
Heads up!
Whoa. Yeah, not in New York anymore. Definitely in London.
Thank you.
Welcome. Are you flirting with me, sir?
Franklin,
Come
come on, Franklin. What are you waiting for?
Franklin, don't focus on her. I can tell you right now, don't focus on her.
What are you doing?
I'm feeding the pigeons.
Right? You see this. Oh my god. I'm so excited. What? More pigeons?
Fat pigeons.
Really?
You could have called me, you know.
I didn't want to worry you.
Call you?
Let me tell you something, Dream. And I'm only going to say this once, so you better pay attention. You are utterly the stupidest, most self-centered, pathetic excuse for an anthropomorphic personification on this or any other plane. Feeling sorry for yourself because your little game is over and you haven't got the balls to go out and find a new one. You're as bad as Desire.
Oh.
Did it never occur to you that I would be worried about you?
Well, I didn't think...
Exactly.
You didn't come for me.
Heads up!
Yo, y'all gotta stop doing that.
Friend, dude.
It's my brother.
He's not my friend, he's my brother. And he's an idiot.
I'm just feeding the birds.
Look, I can't stay here all day. I've got work to do.
Aren't you constantly busy? Like she's death. Like like aren't you busy at all moments in time? Like people dying all the time. What the fuck does she rule over?
Could I maybe see you again?
Bro, you don't want to see
Sure,
her again.
Franklin. You'll see me again.
Seriously?
Yeah?
Soon.
Soon? Oh no. No. No, Franklin, no. Franklin, no. My guy. Oh, that poor kid. That poor kid.
I'm not hungry.
Will you just have it later?
Do you guys eat? What do you guys eat for? Do you need to eat?
We did have one family dinner when you were away. The twins were in high spirits.
Who are the twins?
With me gone, I have no doubt.
I don't know. I think Desire missed having the usual sparring partner across the dinner table.
Do you guys actually have dinner?
No.
Any word of who? Prodigal? Who's the prodigal? What's the prodigal? That's clearly a person, right? Or is it an item? Okay, no, it's a person.
Do you know who I am?
No, not yet, please.
My sister.
Yeah.
When I was captured, it wasn't me they were looking for.
I wonder why death is always a woman. Like, isn't in Greek mythology death is a woman too?
Yeah. I know.
You know, so you didn't like send someone after me?
Taking my shoes off. You should
Why?
take yours off too. It's good to touch the earth with your bare feet.
We don't really have feet, do you? Like, what? The next what?
Oh, no. No. I need to talk to my wife for like 1 second.
Sam.
You don't understand. All our flight information is on my phone. I just need to give her the code.
I'm so sorry, Sam.
But we're on a honeymoon.
Your time's up. When the first living thing existed, I was there. When the last living thing dies, I'll put the chairs on the table, turn out the lights, and lock the universe behind me when I leave. And I'm not there for all of them. There are exceptions. Mad Hetty.
War?
And then there's your ongoing project. How's he bearing up after all this time?
Who? Hobgoblin? I don't know. I was forced to miss our last appointment.
Hobgoblin? What?
I was fine in the beginning. Dying and living were new things, and people did them with the enthusiasm they always bring to new things.
They just did them. Hard?
But you continued.
I'm sorry, I'm not reacting. This is just really compelling and deep. What would happen if Death decided to not partake anymore? Everyone just be immortal?
I mean,
Yeah, she'd just be walking into
people
his
feel as pleased to have been born as if they did it themselves. But they get upset and hurt and shaken when they die. But eventually, I learned that all they really need is a kind word and a friendly face.
Is that why you chose this face? Oh, from their mom. But from their mommy. It's always mommy.
Get you a bottle then.
Oh no, is the baby gonna die or is she dying? Ugh, the baby?
Yeah. I'm afraid so.
Damn.
So there
she's
is no
dying.
one. That's all you get. The reason we even exist.
It's them?
You and I, and desire and despair. The whole family. We're here to serve them. It isn't about quests or finding purpose outside our function. Our purpose is our function. That's what family's about, little brother.
To me, man! Over here!
One last appointment, then have to go.
I too am late for an appointment.
Oh, God, no!
Tell him I said hello.
I'm gonna go see this hobgoblin guy.
Did you see that? That car came like this close to hitting me.
This close, huh?
This close. And it hit you. Come on, baby.
Okay.
See you, Dream.
Where are we off to now, Dream? Morpheus. Hey, is that where they filmed Ted Lasso? Another Ted Lasso reference. Oh my god, they had the doctor and now we're at Ted Lasso's apartment. Like, come on!
Look, I've seen death.
Have you?
Buckingham in Burgundy. It's not like I don't know what death is. Death is...
She's like, yes.
You're a fool, Hob.
Nobody has said that.
Oh, this is the guy?
Does it? You all just go along with it. But not me. I've
You're
made
just
up
not
my
gonna
mind.
die? I'm not gonna die.
I'm not going to die.
Why would any sensible creature crave an eternity of this?
You could find out.
How?
I could grant him his wish.
Do that? And he will be begging for death within a century, I assure you.
Well, this could prove very interesting.
Oh my god. So she lets him live. She's like, hey, I won't come for you. That's wild. Only death gives eternal life. Insanity.
Did I hear you say you have no intention of ever dying?
Yeah, that's right.
Then you must tell me what it's like. Let us meet here again, Robert Gatling. In this tavern of the White Horse. In 100 years.
Wow.
100 years' time. On this day. I will see you in the year of our Lord 1489 then.
100 years later, 1489. That's 500 years before I was born.
Who are you?
Morpheus.
Why are you here?
I'm here because I'm interested
In me?
in your experience.
And what do I have to do?
Nothing.
Nothing
You
at all.
live your life as you choose. Then on this day, every 100 years, we will meet.
Because you want to know what it's like.
So you still want to live?
Oh, yeah.
100 years then?
Oh, yes.
Hundred years later, how's this tavern still here? 200 years later.
Last we spoke, I was working with Billy Caxton. Made some gold from that. Put it to work in Henry Tudor's shipyards. I made a small pile. Then I went north for a year or so, came back as my son. Done that twice now.
Came back as my son. Done that twice.
All right, bring on the land. Everything to live for. And nowhere to go but up. You not be so...
Again, 300 years later, this place still exists. How?
You sure I can't help you, sir?
No, thank you.
Touch me! Wait, don't wait! Oi, get back to the stews with the rest of the filth!
Let him be. He is my guest.
Look like the last 100 years are kind of rough for my guy. Well, we meet here every 100 years, so.
Do you know how hungry a man can get? If he doesn't die, but he doesn't eat.
You've been trying to die. Finally. That's what Dream's thinking.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
My land. My gold.
Yeah.
My Eleanor.
Your son.
She died in childbirth. The baby too. My boy, Robin, died in a tavern brawl when he was 20. I didn't go out much after that. They tried to drown me as a witch. I'd lived there 40 years, overconfident. Got out with my skin a little more. I've hated every second of the last 80 years. Every bloody second, you know that?
So do you still wish to live?
Are you crazy? Death is a mug's game. I've got so much to live for.
This guy is insane, bruh. And Dream's like, okay, you gonna keep going? Cool. The White Horse Tavern.
It's a poor thing for one man to enslave another.
It's just how it's done.
I suggest you find yourself a different line of business, Robert Gatling.
I know that's right.
After 400 years, what happened to live your life as you choose?
The choice
Is
is
yours.
yours. Would you take that choice away from others?
400 years now I've been meeting you here, and there is so much I still don't know.
How is this place still here 400 years later?
I might ask both of you that same question, gentlemen.
To Constantine.
I found this.
Is that meant to be me? I look terrible. You look worse.
Striking bargains with men, sharing gifts, immortality, which you will now share with me.
No. No. No.
And I'm not Jewish.
Huh?
No. No, I think not.
If we come here every 100 years, what makes you think you can kill us?
Wait.
Put her ass to sleep. Oh, took away her eyes?
No, not you. I'm sorry.
What did you do to her?
She has old ghosts that I have shown to her.
Lushing Lou. Is that what they call her?
Well, in here they call her the hospital.
Why?
She's in them a great deal. And because she sent so many men into them. No idea what her real name is.
Louise Baldwin. Her father was in the British Army. Her cousin raped, impregnated, and deserted her when she was just a child.
A poor woman.
How do you know all that?
I think perhaps you've changed.
I may have learnt a bit from my mistakes, but...
You should have made a million mistakes by now. You should be like the wisest man alive.
So,
I think I know why we still meet here century after century. It's not because you want to see whether or not I'm ready to seek death. I don't think I'll ever seek death. By now you know that about me. So, I think you're here for something else.
and what might that be?
Friendship? I think you're lonely.
You dare.
Oh, you pissed him off.
Dare suggest one such as I might need your companionship.
I tell you what, I'll be here in 100 years' time. If you're here then too, it'll be because we're friends. No other reason. Right?
Well, he won't be there in 100 years' time. Because my man was captured. Cars. 1889. I'm alive! Woo! Fake ass tavern. How is this still here?
What's the oldest you've got?
Well, I've got a Glenn Grant, old enough to be your father.
I'm older than I look.
Yeah, he is. He's older than you. Wait! This actor! I know him. What is he from? I don't know where he's from. God, I know him though.
You waiting for someone?
I think I've been stood up.
Pour you another one? While you wait?
Please.
That's cool. Still a cool prison. Now what? Looks like he kept it from being turned into a flat. The new inn. It's not 100 years later, that's for sure.
You're late.
It seems I owe you an apology. I've always had it impolite to keep one's friends waiting.
Oh, he even called him his friend.
Attend, sweet sibling. It is I, Desire.
Oh, what is happening
I
here?
stand in my gallery and I hold your sigil.
A hook?
My brother has found a way out of his cage.
I knew someone put him there.
I have a new one.
His friend Hob. He's been around for 600 years at this point now. What he's going through. That man does not want to die. He has zero interest in it. Zero interest in it. You think at some point he would be like, yeah, I'm ready to tap out. But 600 years in, he's just like, nope. Gonna get the party going. Wow. That was crazy. Alright. That was a good episode. Good episode. I like the family dynamic. I like when they were talking. I like when Death and Dream were talking about their other siblings. The prodigal. I don't know who that is. The twins. I think one of the twins is Desire. Would the other be Despair? I don't know. Are we going to see Destiny too? Oh my god. No. Whatever. Apparently, Desire and Dream constantly butt heads, apparently. Why would Desire and Dream... I don't know. I guess because they're kind of both after the same thing. I guess, like, no, like, people have dreams and they have desires. They are different. I don't know. Wow. I don't know. I guess they are kind of similar. Maybe that's why they butt heads. And like people know people like dreams more. Know people like just I don't know. That's interesting. It's interesting. All right, so yeah. All right, on to the next one. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this reaction, I'm sorry I didn't react that much to this one. I was really into it, so I was just like, I was like, oh yeah, I need to be reacting. I apologize about that. The next one we'll get it together. But catch you in the next one. Deuces.